You got the interview, now what's next? The first question that you'll be asked is introducing yourself. Are you prepared for it?
Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel and let me help you prepare for your introduction. Disclaimer, this is from an experienced point of view. See, you are an experienced, so what an interviewer is expecting is what you are bringing to the table, right? So please try to avoid, don't mention when you are introducing yourself, don't mention your school or your college or your hobbies, where you are from. Like, this doesn't make any sense and it won't help us in our interview. Okay, so how you'll be going to start? First, you have to greet them. Okay, so I'll just give a demo. Like, hi, good morning. I'm Rajlakshmi Rathore and I'm working as an AWS DevOps engineer for almost 3 years. See, you have to greet them. You have to say your name, the employer you are working with, and your role and the experience that you have. You have to start with this. Now, what do I know? So, how I'll go is coming to my DevOps stack. I have an experience with Git, Linux, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, and Argo CD. Coming to the cloud, I have experience with AWS and most of its common services like EC2 Lambda for compute, S3 EBS for storage, SNS SES for alerting, then Event Bridge, Step Function, CloudWatch, CloudTrail for orchestration and monitoring, then ECR EKS for containerization, then Security Hub, WAF, and Inspector for security and compliance. Coming to my project, so it's an US based healthcare project. We have our infrastructure in AWS and we have provisioned it via Terraform by making use of reusable modules. Our code base is in GitHub. Our user base is managed via Azure Active Directory, and we have integrated to AWS via IAM Identity Center using SAML authentication. Then we use Jenkins master server architecture for deployment, and for our legacy application hosted on EC2, we make use of Blueprint deployment strategy, and for the application hosted on EKS, we make use of Canary deployment strategy. Then for monitoring, we make use of CloudWatch and Datadog. We get real-time alerts over the Slack. And as I specified, our legacy of applications are hosted on EC2. So every year we reserve the instances. We buy the reserve instances, and for the instances we are not sure of the instance sizes or the family, we buy compute saving plan. And we are using an enterprise version, and we are a loyal customer of AWS for more than 4 years. So they have provided, and also earlier we had our infrastructure in Azure that we have moved to AWS. So they have provided us with MapTech, which is Migration Acceleration Program. So we associate all our resources with that tag, and we get additional discounts on our pricing. So yeah, that's pretty much about it, actually. So that's how you'll introduce yourself. No more explaining, no buzzwords, just straight to the point. And after this, your interviewer will know what you are bringing to the table, and then you can start asking questions that are related to it. And you will be able to answer them confidently. And as saying goes, first impression is the last impression. So just ensure that you are only speaking the things that you actually know, as it can backfire and it won't leave a good impression. Also, if you are not sure on the question that he's asking, then please don't waste your time doing acting like you are thinking or stuffs like that. Don't do this because it will annoy an interviewer a big time. So instead of this, you can just be honest and politely answer him like, hey, I didn't get an opportunity to work on this thing, and I'll definitely look into that. Just be honest, and he won't do anything. He'll start with another question. So, yeah, do this, and yeah. So now it's your turn to write your introduction, record yourself, and practice it like a pitch. So that's it. And finally, the steps of my series. my first job switch journey. Thank you for being here. And for the second series, I'll be starting with company wise interview questions. So, yeah, stay tuned. Okay, bye.